Assalamu alaikum. Hello. This is our first ever YouTube video on my new channel. I didn't start anything yet. This is the beginning, and inshallah it will be a good one. Okay, the first class would be simple, would be easy, or let's call it the first lesson. First lesson would be very easy, inshallah. It's talking about how you can introduce yourself in Arabic. Okay, so simply I would introduce myself to you and then I will explain what did I say over. So, Assalamu alaikum, صباح الخير. أنا اسمي محمد. أنا من مصر. أنا ساكن في إسماعيلية. أنا عندي 25 سنة. أنا بشتغل دكتور وأنا فرحان إني اتعرفت عليك. This is it. This is everything I said. And what did I say? Assalamu alaikum. This is the Arabic greeting, or the main Arabic greeting, or let's call it more Islamic greeting, but everyone here uses it. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. And this is probably the thing that you know already from so many places or so many videos, let's say. And Assalamu alaikum, this is how you would say hello. And then I then said صباح الخير, صباح الخير, صباح الخير. And صباح الخير, this is the greeting, the other greeting that you would say, which means good morning. Basically, they replace each other. You don't have to say both of them, but let's say that صباح الخير means good morning. صباح الخير. And then I started introducing myself. Then I said, أنا اسمي محمد. That's my name. You can call me Muhammad, you can call me Mo, whatever you prefer. But let's say that أنا اسمي محمد. This is like, this is me. I am Muhammad. My name is Muhammad. And it's composed of 3 words. أنا. أنا. This is my name. أنا. I am. Literally it means I am. And then ismi. Ismi. Ismi means my name. Literally my name. We will explain later what is that composed of and how we could exchange it according to the speaker and who are you talking to and so on. But this is like أنا اسمي. A student of mine told me before that ismi reminds her about the word that she says it's me. So she's defining herself by her name, and that's what we say in Arabic. أنا اسمي محمد. أنا اسمي whatever you want to say, whatever your name is, and then أنا اسمي whatever. And then أنا من, again the same word. أنا, I am, من مصر. That's what I said. أنا من مصر. I am from Egypt. Masr is Egypt, which is one of the little countries that are different in English than Arabic. So for United States, you would say America. In Arabic, it's America. Canada in Egypt or in Arabic would be Canada. Whatever the country will be very similar, unless it's Egypt. Egypt in Arabic different than in English. So Egypt is Masr. أنا من مصر. So you could also say your name. أنا من مصر. And then I just said أنا ساكن. أنا ساكن في. This means أنا ساكن في. I live in. So you probably noticed that في could mean in and ساكن mean I live. So أنا ساكن في. And then you say where you actually live. So for me I said أنا ساكن في إسماعيلية. أنا ساكن في إسماعيلية. You would tell me where you live. أنا ساكن في Texas. أنا ساكن في Brisbane, Australia. أنا ساكن في Ottawa, Canada. أنا ساكن في whatever you want. London, maybe? Wherever you are, you would just say أنا ساكن في this place. And then أنا عندي 25 سنة. This is my age. I just said I am or I have. That's how we say our age is Egypt. So we say أنا عندي like I have 25 سنة. I have 25 years. That's what I have in the terms of I own these ages, but I actually no longer own them. I have already left them behind. I either use them or not. And then أنا عندي 25 سنة. When we say our age in Egypt, we would just say 5 خمسة و and 20 20. So it's like I'm saying I have 5 and 20 years. You want to take some? 25 سنة. You can take them all. You do whatever you want. It's your choice. أنا عندي 25 سنة. Maybe I said a little words. If you know them in my first conversation, if you know them, just write to me down there, down below. What did I just say? I started saying Assalamu alaikum. Hi. صباح الخير. Good morning. أنا اسمي. My name is أنا من. I am from. أنا عندي 25 سنة. I have 25 years. I have them already. And then I said other few words. If you can recognize them, write me down there and tell me what do they mean. Thank you so much. This is our first ever YouTube video. Inshallah, it won't be the last, and maybe we would be more organized. Write me your feedback. It would be highly appreciated. And thank you so much.